Hi guys, it's StephanieGrams.com and this is Lunch and Learn day number 3 for December, what is it? 20th, 2023. I'm taping this for the future, so alright. So this is Lunch and Learn day number 3, December 20th, 2023. It should be a Wednesday. And we're talking about your creative development. And so there's 4 questions, but they're kind of long, and they might take a long answer for you to think about. It's very it's kind of deep, and it's still necessary, right? You want to move forward for 2024. I know most of us would like to do a little bit better in 2024 than 2023. That's life, right? We always want to learn more. It's good to learn more, right? Which is why I have Keepsake Business Academy. Okay, so off to question number 1. How has your creative style or products and services evolved in 2023? So over the past year, how has your creative products and services changed? Did you stop offering one thing to start something different? Did you keep all the products and services and then begin to add to that? Did you learn a faster way to sew something or a better way to do laser engraving? So how has it evolved? How has it changed in 2023, thinking back maybe from 2022? Now, if you're brand new to this and you don't really have a history with it and thinking about that, then you can still write this question down and think about it throughout the year in 2024. All right, because as your business grows and as you attend online classes like the Keepsake Business Academy, you may see a really good change of how you run your business and products and services. Okay, so number 2, did certain products or services do better than others? And you can even go back. So maybe in 2022, you had a certain product or service that did not do well in 2023. Are you going to try again in 2024 to see if it does better than it did this year, or is it just something that you're not going to revisit again? Write it down and give it some thought, because maybe it just was a timing thing. Maybe it's a great product or great service and it was just the timing was off for people. This is why you always need to know who your target customer is. All right, and that might take you a little while to know and to get comfortable with. You have to get comfortable with your pricing and your services and your products, and then you'll be comfortable with who you reach out to or who finds you, that kind of thing. Okay, number 3, did you receive any feedback on your keepsakes that influenced you in any way? So did somebody make a comment about something you made, whether it was a good or a bad or indifferent, and did that chart your decision to make things different, to make it better, make it different, make it, whatever? So maybe you had a customer reach out and say, you did a great job on my product. Can you add a different color? Can you add a different font? Can you engrave an extra person? Whatever was recommended. How did you take that feedback? Did you take it as a positive thing? Did you take it as like a learning opportunity? Or was it more like a negative thing and you felt like you were going to close up your business? So write that out, because once you get that out of your mind onto paper, you can really work through any type of issues that you might have. Okay, and then the last part of that was, if you received feedback, did it change your direction? If so, how will you act on it? Will you make changes? Will you just say, I'm not going that route? You really just have to decide for yourself. Don't feel bad if somebody says they don't like something. If they give you a reason why they don't like something, take that as a learning opportunity and say, okay, does this person just not really like anything, or enjoy what I'm doing, or is this your target customer and you really want to be working with that customer, and so it's a learning opportunity and that you're going to change? So you can look at it in different ways. Feedback, sometimes feedback is not what you were hoping for, right? I know I've been there before, so you just take it with a grain of salt, decide what you're going to do. All right, so that was for Lunch and Learn, Wednesday, December 20th, 2023, and it was about creative development, and I will go through that without any interference. So here we go, recap. How has your creative style or products and services evolved throughout the year? And you can put down which year, 2020, 21, 22, 23. Okay. Next, did certain products or services do better than others? And if so, why do you think that is? Number 3, did you receive any feedback on your products or on your keepsake items that influenced your creative direction? And if you did, will you be acting on that feedback? Yes or no? And what actions will you take? So again, having your business journal is really important. This is what I sell in the Etsy shop. Here, let me get this, pull it up for you. It is divided into 4 quarters. That way you can plan your entire 2024, the whole year broken down into quarters. It's just a printable, you print it yourself, and I just decorate and put all my notes on here. I put a 3-ring binder. I put this in a 3-ring binder. I punched my own holes in here, and this is the quarterly planner. Again, we go through this in the Keepsake Business Academy, and we plan our year by dividing it into quarters, and this is the planner pages that we use for it. I mean, you can use your own planner if you'd like to, but this is what I use in the classes. That way you get an idea of what you want to do and how you want to run your year. Let's see here. The newsletter is free. It's at stephaniegrams.com. So are the details of the Keepsake Business Academy, and the link is above my head on this video. All right, guys, talk to you soon. Bye.